Hello everyone. In this lesson, we're going to explore how to add or subtract algebraic fractions by identifying the common denominators. In the previous lesson, we focused on simplifying algebraic fractions. Now we're going to add or subtract them. Before we add or subtract algebraic fractions, let's look at how we add fractions. As you may know, we can add or subtract fractions by making the denominator same. So in this case, we'll be multiplying it by 2, and as you know, we would multiply this fraction by 3 to get equivalent fractions, which are further added together to get 7/6. Now we're going to follow exactly the same technique to algebraic fractions. Before we do that, please press pause and try these quick fire questions given below. Here are the answers. Please verify your calculations. Remember, for adding or subtracting, we need to make the denominators same. This is in slide 3 for your reference. We are going to now see how we can add or subtract algebraic fractions. We will use the same principle we used for adding fractions. In this case, here is a fraction x over 3, and there's another fraction 2x plus 1 over 2. As you may recollect, algebraic fractions are fractions involving algebraic terms. Here, the numerator and in this fraction, both the numerators have algebraic expressions. First, we make the denominator same by identifying equivalent fractions. In this case, I will be multiplying by 2 because 3 multiplied by 2 gives you 6, and 6 is an lowest common multiple. And I will be multiplying this fraction by 3 to make the denominators the same. Once the denominator is same, we can expand the brackets and we can simplify. Hence, the answer is 8x plus 3 over 6. We use a very similar technique in this fraction. However, rather than adding, we would be subtracting them. Incidentally, both the answers are the same. In this question, we have the algebraic terms in the denominator. Now, to get the lowest common multiple, I would be multiplying 1 over x by just x, because x multiplied by x itself provides you x squared. Now the denominator is same, we can add the numerators together. Let's look at another example. In this case, we have denominators x minus 1 and x. Now let's see how we could make the denominator same. Here we are multiplying 3 over x minus 1 by x and 4 over x by x minus 1. Now, as x are unknown, I can't find the lowest common multiple. So I'm finding out the common multiple by multiplying each other. 3 multiplied by x gives you 3x minus 4 multiplied by x minus 1. Now expanding them provides us 3x minus 4 multiplied by x, which is minus 4x, minus 4 multiplied by minus 1, which is plus 4. Simplifying them provides us minus x plus 4 over x brackets x minus 1. Now I would like you to test your understanding by applying what we learned earlier onto these 5 questions. They are provided in slide 6 for your reference, where you can check the answer. Press pause and attempt the questions in your exercise book or paper, and then press play to verify your answers. Please press pause now and attempt the question. Here are the answers for you to verify. Before attempting the questions on the worksheet, please practice 7 questions in your exercise book or a piece of paper. The questions are color-coded and the colors represent to the grade. You could find out the description of the success criteria in slide 1 for your reference. Also, the questions are in slide 7 for your reference. Please press pause now and attempt 7 questions in your exercise book or paper. Once completed, press play and check your answers. Here are the answers. I repeat, the answers are in slide 7 for your reference. Once you practice those 7 questions, it's important you open the worksheet in Google document. You complete the questions in the table in the spaces provided. This completed worksheet has to be attached to the Google assignment and then submitted back to me. This acts as a proof of your work. I repeat, you need to complete the worksheet with all the working out and the answers and then submit it via Google Classroom rather than sharing it with me. Good luck.